I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to block on Snapchat. For that, first of all, open your Snapchat app. After you open your app, you can see a profile icon on top left corner. Tap on it. Scroll down and you'll see an option of My Friends. Tap on it. Now select a friend whom you like to block. After you have selected the person you like to block, tap on their profile icon which is on the top left corner. Now tap on three dot icon which is on top left. There you can see the option of block. Tap on it. A pop-up message will come up. Tap on block to block that person from your Snapchat. This way you can block anyone from Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.